it's fine, just leave it.
Yeah. Just put that on the side there, that'll be fine. Okay.
Okay. So we're just asking now for some noise, some, well, we really want one of the glasses to rattle or break even.
Did any of you cough just now?
No.
No.
I did hear a cough. Do you know what? I almost disregarded it
Yeah. I thought it was a woman.
because I thought it was you.
No.